Have you ever wondered if grain-free dog food could potentially harm your furry friend? This question has caused quite a stir in the pet-loving world, sparking a heated debate on the safety of grain-free diets for our canine companions. At the heart of this controversy is a potential connection between grain-free dog food and a serious heart condition known as dilated cardiomyopathy, or DCM. In the world of veterinary medicine, DCM is known as a disease that affects the heart muscle in dogs. The muscle becomes weakened, loses its ability to contract normally, and eventually leads to heart failure. This silent destroyer can lurk undetected for years, only to surface when it's often too late. The question on everyone's mind is this: could the grain-free meals we lovingly serve our dogs be the unseen culprit behind this devastating disease? So, could grain-free dog food be a silent killer lurking in your pantry? Let's delve deeper to find out. Let's delve deeper into DCM and its effects on dogs. Dilated cardiomyopathy, or DCM, is a disease that primarily affects the heart muscle, causing it to weaken and lose its ability to contract normally. This condition usually affects the left side of the heart, specifically the left ventricle. When the heart muscle can't pump blood effectively, the kidneys retain more sodium and water, increasing the amount of blood returning to the heart. The ventricles then enlarge to compensate for the ineffective pumping. While this may be beneficial for a few years, it eventually becomes detrimental when it causes blood pressure in the heart to back up into the lungs, leading to fluid accumulation, or what we call pulmonary edema. This, in essence, is heart failure. DCM can be a serious and life-threatening condition, but could the food you're feeding your dog be contributing to it? How valid are these concerns that grain-free dog food may be responsible for DCM in dogs? This is a question that has been echoed in the hearts of many dog lovers. There's a potential link between grain-free dog food and dilated cardiomyopathy, or DCM, a heart disease in dogs. However, the exact cause and effect relationship is still being thoroughly investigated. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has received over 500 reports of DCM in dogs linked to grain-free diets, causing alarm among pet owners. Some studies have also revealed a higher rate of DCM in dogs fed grain-free diets than those fed grain-inclusive diets. These studies have raised eyebrows and have led to further scrutiny of what exactly constitutes grain-free dog food. Now, what could be the possible culprit in these grain-free diets? Some fingers point towards legumes, peas, and lentils. These are often used as alternative grains in grain-free dog food. But again, this is a suspicion, not a confirmed fact. It's crucial to remember that correlation does not automatically imply causation. The situation is more complex than it appears on the surface, and more research is needed to confirm this link. This is why the FDA is still actively investigating this potential link. They have reached out to pet food manufacturers and veterinary cardiologists for more information and have issued guidance to pet owners and veterinarians. But here's the thing, not all dogs who eat grain-free food will develop DCM. Yes, you heard that right. Dogs can develop DCM even if they consume grain-inclusive food. It's also worth noting that the link between grain-free food and DCM seems to be more prevalent in certain medium and large breeds. So where does this leave us? Well, the decision to feed grain-free food depends on individual circumstances and your dog's needs. It's always best to consult your veterinarian for personalized advice and ensure you choose a balanced and high-quality diet regardless of the presence or absence of grains. The link between grain-free food and DCM is still under investigation, but it's important to be aware of the potential risks. So stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay dedicated to your dog's health. So, what can you do to ensure your dog's health isn't compromised by their diet? First and foremost, never underestimate the value of professional advice. Always consult your veterinarian before making any significant changes to your dog's diet, particularly if your furry friend belongs to a breed that's at a higher risk for DCM. Next, keep a vigilant eye on your dog's health. Monitor for signs of heart problems such as lethargy, coughing, or difficulty breathing, especially if you've recently switched to a grain-free diet. If anything seems out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to consult your vet. When it comes to food selection, opt for reputable brands. Choose those that are transparent about their ingredients and maintain rigorous quality control standards to minimize the risk of deficiencies or contamination. Lastly, if you suspect your dog may have developed DCM, report it to both your vet and the FDA. Your dog's health is paramount. Make informed decisions about their diet and always consult with your vet when in doubt.